Hi everyone, welcome to another new video. In today's video, we will see how to convert an image to base64. So let's get started without further ado. First, we will create an input tag with the type of file and give it an ID named input. After doing so, we will move on to the JavaScript code because we will not be styling anything. You can do the styling yourself. First, we will select the input and give it a function that will be called when the input changes. Inside this function, we will need to create a constructor that will read the file. The FileReader object is a JavaScript object that can be used to read the contents of files. To create a new FileReader object, we use the new keyword. Once we have a FileReader object, we can use it to read the contents of a file. To do this, we call the readAsDataURL method, passing in the file object that we want to read as a parameter. To display the base64 data, we can simply set the src attribute of an image element to the data URL variable, but right now I am displaying it in the console. Today. The next video will have one more solution. If you have any topic suggestions, please leave them in a comment and I will try to make a video on it.